ones. Ooh. Oh my God. Where are they going? So many birds. Like, whoa. How cool is that, Daddy? Oh.
Jesus
Oy,
Christ.
oy, oy, oy. So many birds. Are they gonna migrate now or something? Because it's too cold. What?
I need to fill up some water here by the turtle is
Ooh, wow. Look at that, Daddy, Daddy. Look. Above us. Woo. Wow. Hello. So many of them. My goodness.
Hey, hey, hoi kappa. Dada. The whole village full of it.
Yeah. Oh my God.
What are these for
Look at
birds?
that. Huh?
What are these for birds? Hey, hey.
They are the small ones, you know. Galansiang in Visaya.
These little brown ones.
Galansiang. Hello. Look how nice. Oh my God. They're everywhere. Oh, above us. Look at that house there
Some
also.
of them, they all have something in their mouth. Maybe they're building some nests here and there.
Yeah, and they're going all together.
Yeah,
See?
these gray ones. Hey.